Hi everyone, this is Amanda here with you today, and today we're going to be looking at Laura Lee's apology video, and we're going to be decoding her body language and kind of deciding what she's really telling us. So this video stems from an apology back from, well, now, but it came back from 2012 when she tweeted a very racist tweet that stated, quote unquote, if black people would pull up their pants, it would help them run from the police. Hashtag you're welcome. So now this is resurfaced years later, and it's hurt her reputation a lot. So we're going to take a look at this video and try to decide what her body language is telling us. So first things first, she's covering her face a lot. She's touching her face. She looks like she might be crying, but I don't really see any tears. I don't know. I've seen a lot of fake criers. I'm not saying she's fake crying. I can't really say that for sure, but I mean, it doesn't really look sincere. Very limited eye contact with the camera, lots of shifting the eyes, shaking the head. Also, if you notice, as she tries to cry, the corners of her lips right here are pursed, almost like she's smiling. Pamela Mayers, in her TED Talk, talked to us about these little head shakes, and the pursing of the lips could mean that she knows she did something guilty and she knows she got away with it. The covering the face could mean that she's trying to cover her face because obviously, she's crying, but maybe if she wasn't really crying, she's trying to touch her face as much as possible to remove the attention really away from the fact that maybe she's not really crying. All right, well, let's continue. I want to fast forward to about, let's see, about here. Something I really want you to notice here, maybe just a couple more seconds, something I really want you to pay attention to is these shoulder shrugs. And the shaking of the head again. Alright, so with the shaking of the head and the shoulders, again, Pamela Myers talked about when someone shakes their head or nods their head or does these little shoulder movements, these little shoulder shrugs, that could be an indication that somebody is actually deceptive and they're trying to, they know that they're not telling the truth. Alright, let's fast forward a little bit here. Again, the pursing of the lips, closing her eyes, covering the face. It's just, at this point, I don't even know if she really believes what she's even saying. Alright, my last point I really want to make, let's go kind of towards the end here. Right here. It looks like she's stuttering, and when you play the video with sound, she is actually stuttering her words. That to me could just be an indication of nervousness. I don't really think she believes what she's trying to convey in this video. So without sound, you can really just tell in this video that she's not being completely honest with what she is trying to tell the audience, that she's sorry. I think that she's trying to save her reputation. But I mean, maybe take a look at it yourself and tell me what you think. I hope that you learned something today. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.